All right, guys, let's get started. So, today we will be using this Notion template that I created. This is just to keep your analyze properties in some kind of like CRM stuff, instead of the one that we normally use, which is more for the one-offs, or if you just want to present it to somebody or just whatever. There's just a way to kind of keep track of all of them, just more organized way. So we're gonna go to, what do we want to do today? Flip. Fuck it. Let's do the flip calculator. All right, let's find the property. What state are we going to? I don't know. Why is this always the hardest part? North Carolina? Hmm. Durham? Where do we want to go? Where do we want to go? This area looks good. Oh, let's I don't know if I have filters from the last time. Looks like I did. Uh, I choose you. Okay, what do we got here? The price cut. We have. Okay. All right. Ba, 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 ba. Let's duplicate this. Okay. So let's see the photos here. Roof looks up. Okay. All right. Everything looks very basic. Home Depot special. Okay, 1,500 square feet. 1,500 square feet. You want to see 3 bedrooms. I wonder why there's sometimes, like, because a property doesn't have. Looks like there's HVAC. When a property has two bedroom, really has three, but like sometimes like there's not a closet in one of the rooms, so they can't call it a third bedroom, things like that. Let's see what it says. 93 days. Great fully leased duplex with strong rental history and a couple of blocks from Duke, marble floor, blah 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 blah. Okay. HVAC, that's pretty good. Stories one, new construction, no 1955. Okay. Public, no HOA. Excuse me. Oy, okay. Let's see. So we're looking for single families. Where's the property I just chose? Okay, it's right here. Here's a Okay, well, there's a bunch of them, two twos. So let's go to sold. So these are tough because I want to try to only use 2 bedrooms if possible. Why are you not? Okay, that's weird. There you go. Okay. But yeah, again, I only want to use 2 bedrooms if possible. There's property on Sledgefield. Okay, so it's over here. Okay. There's a lot. Surprisingly, there's a bunch of 2 bedrooms. That's weird. Okay. Can we use these? Let's try to, let's just use these properties. Um, oh, this is, yeah, I gotta see. What's the last 30 days? Just one. Last 90 days. Okay. What about last 6 months? Okay. Let's work with this for now. That's crazy. Why did this one suffer so much? This looks like an outlier. How much was the lot size? Why did this sell for so much money? What? This was sold for. Okay, that's. Are we in the same area? Where's Sledgefield? Sledgefield's right here. Is this the difference? Are houses on this side selling for way more money? This is so weird. Maybe I guess maybe that's where the cutoff is then. It's odd. What are you asking for this property? 387. Okay. So this is a what? A 2-2, 1557 square feet. 2-2. Okay. Are you renovated, buddy? Okay, I would say yes. I mean, not the cleanest reno, but this might be a comp at least. 550. I would say it's a comp for now. Okay. How much did you sell for? 549. 549. No, 549. That's another zero. There you go. So when did you sell? 11, 12, 25. 11, 12, 25. Okay. Let's see. Right now, what's the purchase price? If you wanted to buy it, 387. Let's just put 387 for now. 387. Estimated rehab. Now we got to find the ARV first to see. So, okay. Let me see this one. This is so weird. 1935, a little older. Okay. Nice. Nice house. I mean, I can see why this one sold for a little less. Okay, I can see that. Okay, what about you? Okay, so I guess maybe this is the standard because pretty sure you don't have, yeah. You look similar to a little nicer than our property. What about you, sir? Smaller? I can, yeah. Okay. This is super expensive. I guess because it's next to Duke, but very expensive. Shoot. Okay, so this is the standard, I guess. So 550. To get it to this rental, what's the pictures on this one? I mean, maybe 30K, 40K. Let's just say 40K. For now, it's like 40. Just to give me a little bit of room here. Closing costs are going to be like 11,000, let's just say. Oh, okay, on the sell side, let's just put no more than that. Let's put 9,000. Oops. Oopsies. Your MAO, let's do 70, 65. I'll do 65. Estimated holding cost, a couple thousand a month, depending if you're using lending or whatever. So let's put 1,000. Expected sales, expected sale price, 550, 549. Is that realistic? Let's keep looking. Well, it looks, well, I can see why this is in a better condition though. I wish there was more to show. Let me see if I zoom out. Maybe 450, 414. Let's see what's for sale. What would you be competing with if I sold it for? Is there anything that's an argument for 5? One day, 827. What in the world? Yeah, maybe fucking god damn. Maybe this would work. It's fucking crazy. Oh, I spent estimated whole time, so I made a mistake. Months for this? 6 months. Maybe $1,000. If you're paying a lend, let's see. So, what's the situation? Is for holding costs. What would be the situation here? Would you buy this? Let's say you buy this with a lender. I don't know. Trying to see what you guys would think, but holding costs. Let's just take away the lending side for now. Holding costs, that's utilities, property taxes, and stuff like that. Let's just put 1,000, just cause. Um, MAO. Let's keep looking, but for now we still have the MAO at 311,000. Net profit would be 87 grand if we can buy it at 311 and sell it at 540. Profit per month is irrelevant. Total investment 45,000. Maybe you can get a second lien on that. Let's keep looking for comps though. Still not feeling great. Uh, this is crazy. What is this place? Am I biased? I can't believe they're asking for this much. It's a 2 bedroom. It's ridiculous. Okay, I would say this is probably a comp then. So for 457. When did you sell? When did you sell? When did you sell? 2/11/26. 2/11/26. Let's look for one more. Notes on this. So sometimes if you want to add notes, like especially if you're working with somebody, you can write notes, last conversation, or blah blah blah. Comments too, you can use. Let's find one more comp. 457. This is a weird one. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Confidence isn't too high with this one. Okay, why did you sell for so little? That's so great. This one's in good condition. Well, it's way smaller. Okay, that's. I'm assuming that's the reason. What about this one? Okay, this one isn't as clean. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't. I guess that's it, guys. Yeah, they're not all gonna be pretty. Um, it's crazy. It's such a weird market because that property is selling for 565. I would have never thought that, honestly, especially for a 2 bedroom. What are 3 bedrooms selling for? God damn, these shits are selling for hella money. Is this renovated? This house is in good shape. Fucking this one sold. Where's this one at? Five. Yeah, right on. Okay, so you're on the main app. Okay, but god dang, how long did it take you to sell? It's just almost a sold right away. It's a weird market. I would not want to be here. Um, oh, here you go. Okay, this sold right away. Yeah, that makes sense. Seems like a steal in this area. Oof. Okay, this solidifies my story. On that note, I'm good. I feel much better about my underwriting.